from Angharads Live. And I'm so excited. In today's video, we're going away on our family holiday to Center Parcs. And we thought we'd take you all along with us again this year. And we're so happy that Sarah's here to join us this year too.
It's going to be amazing.
It really is. If you haven't seen last year's family holiday, we'll link it up there.
You, myself and Sarah, we're all going on the train.
We are. Can't wait, can you, Em?
No, it's going to be great.
It really is.
'Cause there's a place that I go to when I want to hide from all the shades of blue. 'Cause at times I think of leaving, my mind takes me back to fall, when the snow begins to sing goodnight to warm. But I will never leave your side. You're the reason to all my pride. Never wither and runs dry, and your roses are my guides. Goodbye, my friend, our love remains, but not this way. I'm in your garden as a day. Just feel the wind. If you look close, you see the lilies dance and how they slowly grow.
Unfortunately, due to trains being cancelled, we had to get a coach all the way from Preston to Penrith.
No telling where it goes, driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know,
It's now the following day and we're arriving at Center Parcs. Really can't wait to get into the lodge now.
In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free. These open woods, I knew I could find peace here. Nothing like the city where I got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights. See the blue sky, feel the wind that blows, get the rush in, heaven only knows. I'm all alone, still lying far from lonely, on a journey, on a winding road. Got tired of the running, the catching up.
Sarah is really enjoying exploring the dog exercise area.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change?
a new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know, man, passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out, reach out, reach out, reach out.
The winter forest lights are absolutely amazing.
As long as I've got you, I'm not letting it fade. Don't go looking for reasons, asking for change. We got good things coming. Put your faith in me, so keep on going. We got good things coming our way.
Now time to play bowling.
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter.
You can't turn the tide. Let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line. You pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath.
Warning, this part of the video has flashing images for approx 3 minutes 15 seconds.
Lit up the sky tonight. Let's set the world alight. Fill up this desperate shore. Oh, with your warming glow. I'm at my autumn low. Oh, won't you take me home tonight? Break me or let me win. Don't care, just let me in. Oh, this just tears me up. Won't you just fill my cup? I'm at my autumn low. Baby, just take me home tonight.
come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's when we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars.
We had an amazing time on our family holiday in Center Parcs, apart from the last 2 days.
That's it. Didn't go according to plan. Being ill and being in bed for the last 2 days, did it?
It wasn't really good, was it?
It wasn't good.
But it was so lovely with the family looking after Sarah, though.
That's it. It was amazing that the family looked after Sarah and just gave you and I time to rest and get over whatever it was.
Yeah. This is why there was only one part to the video.
Because the rest of it we were spent in bed.
Yeah.
Because unfortunately, what else we were going to record, we couldn't do because we were ill in bed.
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you have ever been to Center Parcs.
I think that's a great question.
If you have, which one have you been to?
That'd be really good to know.
If you haven't, where do you enjoy going on holiday? We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye. Take care.